Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 24 of marching through my minis. I am excited. I have my same $8 I've been bringing every day this month, and I will continue to bring for all 31 days of March. And I'm excited. I'm excited to see what we complete, if any, today. We should complete at least that one. I remember there was one that needed 25 cents. So fingers crossed. I don't know what that was. That was not a fingers crossed. That was a hey, it's like a Jeep wave. So let's put our $8 in here. Oh my goodness. And I was able to finish 2 yesterday, so that's exciting. So hopefully we can finish some today. So let's get our dice tower all ready to go. And we're going to start on number 8. All right. 1 for number 8. Not the most impressive start, but we just need 3 to get 3. 1 got 3. 2 got 2. Come on, 3. That's better than 1. Okay. Maybe we can get all the way around. 2 for 4. 1 for 5. 1, 2, 3 for 6. 2 for 7. 2 for 8. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. Okay, I really want 3 for 3. That would make me super happy. 2 for 3. 2 for 4. 1 for 5. I have 2 left. And they're both going to 6, and we are going to start on number 7 tomorrow. All right. So let's see what number 1 got. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Number 1 got $1.50. And that is exactly what we needed. We finished one. Yay. This is from Susan over at Windmill Ridge Budgets. So we can do $1.50. Perfect. I will be right back. Beautiful. All right, this one saved us $6. We used every prop coin, so I will get a new one, and that does not have anything to go into it. Oops, I almost used that. Oh, what's this little one? Oh, is it with the big one? Oh, okay. We're doing another one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So each of the little stars and all add up to $5. So we'll keep those together. And then number 2. Number 2 got $1. Oh, we needed 25 cents. Yay, this is the one I thought we'd finish. Okay, so let's do this one circle, and I just put the 25 cents there. All right, this one will save us $3. And then we have 75 cents we can put in a new one. I probably should have gone through here and maybe pulled more. Let's do this one from Rainbow Budgets Co. We're going to do each letter as 25 cents, and this will save us $4. Hawaii state mammal. There are only about 1,400 monk seals remaining in the world, making them one of the most endangered marine mammals. Monk seals born in Hawaii are protected and given names. Oh my gosh, right after my own heart. I like to name things. Okay, so we have 75 cents. We'll do the HAW. Hall. Perfect. And I said that's Rainbow Budgets. Okay. All right, number 3. Got $1. All right, that's good. It's good. All right, so I can do the next 4 squares, so I will be right back. All right, and this one is from Becca Budget 777. Cactus makes perfect. All right, number 4 got 3's 50 cents. That's okay. So we have $1.25 for number 4. Oh, we're starting a new one. This one's from Maribel at Mint Dough. Look at her. She's so cute. She's ready for Hogwarts. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. All my green markers are losing juice. All right, number 5 got 50 cents. And this one is from Cash and Coin Crew. Let's go, ghouls. We do 2 squares. Okay. All right, number 6. So we got 50. So it looks like $1.50 for number 6, which we just needed 25 cents. This one is from Saving Supermom. This one saved us $3. So it's $1.50. Okay, so we have $1.25 that we can put in a new one. Let's see, what is this one? This one's from Norella's Budgets. This will save us $6. So we can do $1.25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. Squeaky, squeaky. This will save us $6. All right, and number 7 got 50 cents. This one is from Candy at Stuff and Budgets. You can do 2 circles. $20.27, year of the sheep. All right, and then number 8. Number 8 got 75 cents. And number 8 is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So I can do 3 more. It looks so fun and neon. All right, so it looks like we finished 2, 3, technically 4. These are separate tinies. I'm treating them as separate tinies. All right, so let's go back up front. Let's put our prop coins away. And the prop coins and dashboards and all that come from Brittany over at Budgeting with the Ginger. So we have 3 and 6 is 9, plus 3 is $12. 10, 5, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to double check that. Okay. So that was $3 and 6. So 6 and 6 is 12. Yep. So we'll come back here and put our $12 in our completed, and then put our 4 challenges back here. Oh, so exciting. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had fun. I did. And until next time, nope. I'm going to tell you to have a great rest of your day. And then I'm going to say, until next time, take care. Bye.